you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real.
Guys, nandito kami sa Talisay Beach. I think magla-lunch kami dito ngayon.
Part of the Putan Island. When you board Talisay, but we are going Talisay 3.
Ayun.
Talisay. Ayun. Behind the mountain is a Talisay, Batangas. Okay, ma'am. So, wanna do lunch here on the beach, okay?
Okay guys, magla-lunch kami sa Talisay Beach. Maganda rin siya, oh. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Talisay Beach. Ayan guys. Ito yung sobrang clear din ang tubig, ah. Ayan. Dito kami magla-lunch. Ayan. Nagtitinda rin ng ano. Asa man talaw? Asa man ka gusto mo pwesto lang? Look at this. Oh my God. Parang may kuweba din sa itaas, oh. Wow. Ang taas. Amazing. Wow. Ito kami pwesto, guys.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just
Bumili kami ng buko at drink. Kasi doon sa lunch namin, tubig lang yung free. So, for can of Coke, it's like 100 peso. And also the coconut juice. Fresh na fresh. Ang ganda ng mga limestone rocks, guys. Yan. Tapos na yung lunch namin, guys, na masarap yung pagkain. Nabusog ako. Ayan yung Talisay 3, guys. Kaya tinawag na Talisay Beach. By the way, meron daw secret cave dito, guys. Sabi ni Ivy. Kaya pasukin natin. Kita nyo yun, guys. All the way up there. Ang laki ng all the way up there. Ang laki ng ano na to. Tingnan mo yung mga parang Star Wars yung ano, yung dating dito, guys. Tingnan nyo to, guys. Papasukin ko yung cave na to. Guys. Ayun, guys. May cave dun sa ilalim. Dito ako sa secret cave dito sa Talisay. Meron palang secret cave dito, na hindi natin alam. So, ito yung papasukin natin. Ayan. Pasok ako. Sa cave na to, guys. Ito yung ayan. Dagat. Ayan. Wow! Amazing! Yun na, guys. Yun na yung secret cave dito. Talisay Beach. Cave yung pinaktukan ko ngayon, guys. Kanina pa tayo. Out of this world yung lugar na to, guys. Ayan, oh. Buko. Buko. House sa buko. Ha? Gusto ka? Ikin nga. Dami kayo mga nagpuan. Kumukay siya ba? Kamay lang. Kamay lang. Taste, sarap. Sarap ka. Dito sa Talisay Beach, sobrang clear sa ilalim, guys. Ayan. Wow. Maraming mga rocks, pebbles. Hindi siya smooth pero sobrang clear ng water. At ito yung backdrop mo dito sa Talisay Beach. Itong magagandang tanawin ng limestone mountain. Ayan, guys. Guys, maliligo ako. Wow, sarap dito, guys. Ang ganda ng tubig, sobrang clear. Ito yung Talisay Beach dito sa El Nido. Tinatawag na Talisay kasi merong malaking Talisay key dito sa beach na to. Guys, pabalik na kami sa boat for our next destination. Ito yung boat namin, Janelle. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Ayan. Ayan si Ivy, paakyat na. Ayan. Kuya.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be all